Welcome to 15 Drewbrook Court, a stunning 4+2 bedroom brick home with 5 washrooms, nestled on a premium-sized 50 by 150 foot lot on a quiet court within the family-minded Blue Grass Meadows neighbourhood of Whitby. The front yard is landscaped with perennial gardens and stone interlocking, with an accessibility ramp to the front entrance integrated into the design, and the large pool-sized backyard has great potential for future gardening or outdoor entertaining space. Over $200,000 has been spent on interior renovations top to bottom, with some of the exceptional main and upper level appointments including engineered hardwood flooring, polished tiles in the foyer and in all 4 of the fully upgraded washrooms, LED pot lighting, exquisite chandeliers and modern light fixtures, upgraded trim work, an upgraded upper level staircase, and quartz counters in all the washrooms, as well as in the fully renovated kitchen, which also showcases new stainless steel appliances, quartz backsplashes, and custom cabinetry. The lower level is also fully finished and features new vinyl plank flooring, a large recreation area, a kitchenette, a laundry area, 2 bedrooms, and a 3-piece washroom, as well as having a separate side door entrance with a secondary staircase for private access, giving this level potential as a future in-law suite or basement apartment. Walking distance to Pringle Creek Public and St. Teresa Catholic Elementary Schools, Anderson Collegiate and Vocational Institute, neighborhood green spaces and nature trails, and public transit. This home is minutes from the Whitby Shopping Mall and the Whitby Civic Recreation Complex, while the Smart Centre's Whitby Northeast and Taunton Gardens shopping malls, the Heber Down and Lynn Shores conservation areas, Whitby's waterfront park along Lake Ontario, as well as access to highways 401 and the 407 are just short drives away.